Hello kings and queens, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we're going to do a very different video, which is going to be a little hard for me. Today we're going to talk about how to lighten your armpits in less than 3 days. I actually saw this video on Victoria's channel because I'm actually trying to lighten my armpits. I've been dealing with this for a very long time, and unfortunately the way I've been dealing with it is just to hide my armpits. But like, I'm 23, I have to grow up. Like, if I want to show my armpits, I need to be able to show my armpits, you know? So like earlier in my middle school days, I just stopped like using non-natural deodorant, so I only use that now, and I've tried to shave like less often because it creates a lot of irritation on my skin. But I think I need to like establish a regimen that actually helps me to lighten my armpits and to exfoliate and everything like that. So that's what I'm going to be starting today, and hopefully getting awesome results. I'm going to show you guys the products that I will be using as well. Baking soda. I'm gonna need some honey. I just got some unfiltered natural raw honey. Turmeric, ground turmeric. This is apparently supposed to be the life changer, which is the whipping cream. Apparently this is supposed to be really good for lightening dark marks, so hopefully it will do me well. We will also be needing lemon. And lastly, I'm also using a skincare kit, which Duval actually sent to me. It's the Radiant Skin Care System. It's actually used for your face, but you can also use it on your skin because it comes with a body brush. It comes with a pumice stone for like exfoliating like your feet and things like that, and then it has 2 brushes. Let me open it so you can see it. One is for like an everyday face wash, and the other one is for like exfoliating. I will actually be using the exfoliating brush for my armpits because I want to make sure that as I'm doing this process every day for 3 days, I'm exfoliating and make sure I'm getting a deep clean so that every day I'm using the treatment, the product is really getting in my skin. So here are the brushes that I was talking about. So here is the actual handle that has the batteries and everything inside of it. It does not come with batteries though. It takes 4 AA batteries. But here is the everyday here is the everyday facial brush. Here is the exfoliating brush, and they're both actually really soft. The exfoliating brush is just a little bit more firm, I guess, to exfoliate, and you're only supposed to use it around 2 to 3 times a week depending on what your skin can handle. And then here's the body brush, which is like awesome because it's really big and it can cover a lot of spaces. And then the pumice stone that I mentioned earlier for like exfoliating your feet and things like that. If you guys want to purchase this skincare kit, please look at the link in my bio. I have 75% off for you guys, so you guys can purchase it for like $25. And it usually ranges for around like $90 something. So I'm saving you some money. So basically, make sure you go check it out. Super excited to use it. It looks like it's really gonna do me well, and I think I'm gonna keep this in here as I travel. You guys know I travel for work, so I'm literally just gonna keep this in here every single day so that I can put it in my carry-on and things like that, so it's easier for me to travel with. But yeah, make sure you guys check them out. And also you can actually use this in the shower, so it's waterproof, so I can bring this in the shower with me as I'm washing myself and nothing will happen. So here I went ahead and put in the battery so you guys can see what it looks like and what it sounds like when it's running. And here it is. So as you can see, it's not very loud, and it's like a really good brush. But yeah, I'm excited to use this on my armpits. I probably will switch out the exfoliating brush and the body brush so that I'm not like hurting my armpits, but I want to make sure that I'm exfoliating at least once or twice during this 3-day frame, and then I'll show you guys the after results. I'm very excited because child, when you guys see this before, you're gonna be like, this is something that I've been insecure about for the longest time, but it's okay, I'm over it. Here is my right armpit. And this is like freshly shaved, and it looks like it's not right. Like, it's crazy. Like, I get like really bad bumps here, and then it stains like terribly, so that's what you see there. And then here is my left armpit. Yeah, so you guys see why I've been having my armpits for so long. Thumbnail. Okay, let me stop. now the consistency is to be pretty thick but also very airy because of the lemon. So consider cutting this recipe in half though, because this is, I got like a lot of it and I'm gonna need all this for my armpits. And I like even overflowed, so I had to use another cup to like half it and then bring it back together after the fizz was a little bit gone. But yeah, it's looking pretty yummy, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply to my armpits. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my armpits. Be careful though, because it does stain your clothes, so make sure you don't put it on your fingernails, because that will also stain your fingernails because of the turmeric. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the back of the spoon to apply it and leave it on for 10 minutes, and then do this again for the next 3 days. Guys, all right you guys, this is what we're looking like after 15 to 20 minutes. Hey guys, so it is day 3. I literally just got out of the shower and lotioned myself, but I just washed the treatment off for the 3rd time. I don't really see that much of a difference, but also I'm just starting like this process with my armpits. Like I said before, I haven't really tried much but just shaved it less and like exfoliated in the shower, but like I never actually used a spin brush on it consistently. So this probably be a start of like a series with help me and watch me lighten and better my armpits. It's okay, we got this. So if you guys have any regimens that you have tried in the past for yourself, please let's chat in the comments and share with me what you have been doing. But I feel like I see a slight change. I think I'm gonna like show it like, you know, side by side, and you guys will see and you guys tell me if you see a change. But I definitely, it feels softer. But the thing is about my armpits is like the hair grows back so quick. Like it's the 3rd day and like already like there's things coming out of my armpit, which is why I like don't even try, but it's fine. Got this. This is a journey. Yeah, so let me show you guys the after. So this is the right armpits. I definitely think that it's like a little bit faded more, but like here are the spots where like, so I get like sometimes when the hairs grow out, I get ingrown hairs. So then like these like right here gets like red from these like spots of ingrown hairs, but I definitely feel like it's faded though. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know, but like it definitely looks less dark, especially like right here. Like this right here looks less dark, but I would insert a picture for both sides. So this is the right side, and then here is the left side. You guys can literally see hairs coming out of my skin, which is so annoying, guys. It's been literally 3 days, whatever, or 2 nights. Like I said, I'm going to be probably posting another update video. I'm gonna try another regimen because honestly, the turmeric is so much, like it's a mess. Like it's like it stains everything. Just be really careful. And I'm at a hotel and I feel bad, so like I was like wipe everything down because I don't want the like the person that comes in and cleans up to do that. But like it's a hot mess, so I think next I'm just gonna try baking soda and lemon without the turmeric because it's a lot. And this is just a 3-day update, so hopefully you guys will see like a week update or a month update, something like that. But yeah, I'm determined to make these armpits flourish. Okay, we're gonna be out here with beautiful and nice armpits. And I think I'm also going to start waxing instead of shaving. The thing about, I used to wax, but like it was just a lot of work again. It was messy, and I feel like right now I don't even have time. So I think I might actually seek a place where I can go like every month or so to wax my armpits, so that way I'm not dealing with ingrown hairs as often with the shaving. So that's something I'm trying to change. So if you guys have any suggestions for that, let me know. Like honestly, just help your girl out with her armpits, because y'all see. Like I said though, in the beginning of this video, I was using this Duval skincare spin brush. You guys can see mine is literally yellow because I've been using the exfoliating one with the turmeric, and like it's stained my brush yellow. Like it's literally stained yellow, which is why like I'm saying like the turmeric is really messy. But like I mean I wash it, like it's clean, it's just like stained yellow because of the turmeric. I think it really helps with like making sure that you get a deep clean, but also avoiding ingrown hairs. So I feel like if I did this like every single day, this would probably really help me. So I'm going to keep doing this along with my treatments, so I will keep you guys updated. But yeah, make sure you get the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase this. It's actually really good for your face as well. But I actually really want to purchase a silicone brush for my face, so I'll keep you guys updated on that and my skincare routine. But this will be mainly for my body and my armpits. But this is where I'm at. So yeah, help your girl out and let me know if you guys see a difference in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for a update and motivate me, you guys, because this is something that honestly I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video, because this is like a lot for me. Like, this is like my biggest insecurity, but not anymore. It's out the door. It's no longer my problem. If I miss anything, please ask me in the comments and I'll be sure to share. But again, please subscribe to this channel and reign with me. I post videos all about adulting and how to reign in your professional life with Christ, our one and only Savior. And also make sure you put your notifications on so you do not miss my next upload. Please let me know in the comments what you guys want to see me upload in this channel. I kind of do really everything. Just mainly focusing on adulting and bettering yourself just in general. So let me know what you guys want to see and I will be sure to provide that content for you. Follow me on Instagram at queennenny237. Over there I post more about like my personal life and my work life as well, and also style and outfits that I wear throughout the day. So if you guys want to connect with me there, please make sure to do so. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.